Hiro-san, back in the studio.
Yes.
You guys saw from our previous video, we went shopping for a few quick ingredients from a local Asian supermarket. And we're going to show you that right now. But Hiro, what are we making today?
Spicy tuna roll,
Yes, spicy tuna, but
number 2.
yeah, number 2 or 2.0. So we're going to kick it up a notch, maybe a few notches. Let's show everyone what the ingredients are, Hiro.
So the tuna.
So
Main
this is the
ingredients.
tuna. You can see the color is
Yeah.
not really what we're too fond about. However, this is probably what most of you can find locally. And this is what the price is. It's actually $15 a pound, 0.89 pounds. And this is $13, Hiro. Okay, what's next?
And the jalapeno.
Okay.
The spicy tuna I'm going to make with the kimchi sauce, sriracha sauce, sesame oil, and then mayonnaise. And this is going to be decoration.
Okay.
I have a caviar
Caviar.
and the sesame seeds
Okay.
and the ichimi togarashi
Okay.
and spicy mayonnaise. Maybe this is going to be the option.
Okay. And over
And
here
then,
is
and then
just-
cornstarch fried up with jalapeno.
Okay. Nice, nice. I like it, Hiro.
Okay. So
Alright.
first step, I'm gonna make a spicy tuna.
Okay. Let's do it.
Okay, and then cut into smaller. Sriracha, kimchi sauce, little bit sesame oil, then mayonnaise, mix it. Okay, like this.
So simple. Yeah,
Very
okay.
simple.
Most delicious spicy tuna recipe
Spicy
you guys
tuna
will
recipe.
ever try, make, and enjoy.
Like that. Then today I'm gonna put a little bit black sesame seed. Okay, and a flip. Spicy tuna. Roll it. Get the piece.
So take out the seeds, right? That's
Seeds off.
what's really spicy.
Okay. Right up to jalapeno. Just put a little cornstarch. Right.
When you fry these up, is it less spicy, Hiro?
If I after fry,
Yeah. Is it less spicy? Or they still
still
pretty much remain the same? The
still
heat.
spicy. That's a little
Still
bit,
spicy?
I guess.
Because I've had them where they're fried and then they
Yeah,
really
fried
weren't
is
spicy at all.
losing a little bit of spiciness.
Yeah, right? If you fry them longer.
Longer.
Let's try that. Can we fry them a little longer?
Fry it longer?
Yeah, fry a little bit longer. See how it is.
Okay. Looks good, right?
Yeah, it looks good. It's probably a couple minutes or so. Yeah. Smells good though, I can tell you. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Spicy tuna 2.0. When the regular spicy tuna just won't do, you can really spice it up this way. Hiro-san, I can't wait to try this. It looks wonderful. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. We will see you soon. And hope you guys do try this.
Yes.
The ingredients are really readily available. Just down the street from where you live. Thank you, Hiro.
Hey, thank you very much.
All right, Hiro, are you ready for the tasting part? Enjoy.
Okay.
Spicy tuna 2.0.
2.0 is a very expensive.
Oh yeah, very, very expensive. You really brought it up a few notches.
Okay, so first I go without the soy sauce.
Okay.
Jalapeno, I think not too much spicy. Okay, next one, I want to put a little bit soy sauce. You know, caviar with the spicy tuna, kind of killing caviar taste that you think, that I think too. I was thinking that way too.
All right.
But when you first you put in the mouth, yeah, you can taste the caviar first. Then, of course, spiciness coming,
The spicy comes in.
and then I think
Spicy caviar.
ichimi togarashi
Yeah.
is
This
making
final take with that
more.
one.
Yeah.
Try a little soy sauce.
Jalapeno is, I think, not so much spicy
Oh, that's
after
good, Hiro.
after fry.
I really enjoyed that. Your spicy tuna can't be beat. That recipe, guys, you guys got to try it at home. Very simple ingredients,
Let me try the jalapeno only.
I really, really love your recipe here. So I taste the spicy tuna, and then there's a little bit of a kick from the jalapeno.
Yeah, let me try
Really
this.
not that spicy for me. Oh, really?
No. no, it's just spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah, spicy. Oh, spicy.
Really?
Spicy. But first, I don't think I was joking, but it's just spicy. Oh, no, now spicy.
Now it's spicy?
I need a water.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's a bigger one. I'm going to get a smaller one. Let me try this again. I really enjoy it, though. You try the spicy tuna again. Phenomenal. Really nice and rich tasting, especially with that little spicy mayo. Jalapeno gives it a little bit of a texture
Yeah, jalapeno
when
spicy.
you're chewing on it. But not bad. I really like this. Wow. Delicious. To me, a home run, Hiro.
Home run.
Home run. Yeah, grand slam. So you got to think of the next one. Spicy tuna 3.0.
3.0.
Right? Okay.
Okay.
Coming up soon.
Next to spicy tuna, maybe we gotta use the. When last time we was trying the spicy noodle challenge.
Oh yeah, I
The
remember that.
little
Yep.
the
The
spicy
sauce pack? Yeah,
sauce
yeah.
package. That's I'm going to use for spicy tuna.
Oh no, I don't know if I can eat it then. That's gonna be spicy tuna. Spicy tuna
Fire
10.0.
spicy tuna.
Yeah, that's gonna be crazy.
Thank you very
Right.
much.
See you, Hiro.
日本の皆さん、こんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルがスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリー・アリーズ・オブ・アマスター・寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のね、サブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news.Japanese subtitle version channel to start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it for a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I am speaking in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. In the future, a lot of videos coming. Also, Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned, more subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.